What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to show you guys how to make a super simple Cajun chicken pasta using a shortcut. It'll be done in less than 10 minutes. This is the solution, guys. I'm going to be using a Stouffer's chicken fettuccine Alfredo meal. And the only thing I'm going to do is just jazz it up and turn that thing into something wonderful. Don't get me wrong. These meals are already great. By far the best brand so far. Let me open it up. This is it. This is how it comes. And as you can see, it has a plastic film on here. And according to the instructions, you cut the film, you cook it on 3 minutes, cook it for 3 minutes on high, and then stir and recover. Cook again 2 minutes on high, less than 1 minute. So that's like literally 6 minutes of cook time right there. That's it. So I'm just gonna cut, some slits in it or whatever to get it going. You want to get it going first. Alright, so into the microwave for 3 minutes. The microwave just stopped. Let's get it out. So you just want to take the film off now, because you really want to get it going. That's the thing, you want to get it going. Okay, so how am I going to turn this into some amazing Cajun chicken pasta? Well, I'm going to be adding some more broccoli, and these are frozen broccoli florets. I'm going to be putting some Old Bay seasoning into the situation. That's what's going to give it that Cajun flavor. I'm going to put some paprika. And last but not least, some more Parmesan cheese. Yeah, I love broccoli, so I'm going to put, you know what I'm saying, a good little bit on there. Okay, that's good right there. Not only are you making this a bigger portion, but you're making it your own. So yeah, that's why I like it. All right, now we're going to go in. With the Old Bay. Y'all, this broccoli is frozen, but the microwave is going to cook it. All right, we're going to go in with some paprika. You want a good amount of paprika because you want it to have that nice color, that nice, Cajun pasta color. So, you know what I'm saying? Get on in there with the paprika. All right, now I'm going to put some cheese on here. Y'all, this is a great way to jazz up a meal. You hear me? This is a great way. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more paprika. Okay. Now I'm going to get this back into the microwave. And it says to cook it for 2 more minutes, but I'm just going to do 3 more minutes. Okay, so of course you want to make sure that you stir this up, y'all. Stir it up really good. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got it stirred up, and I'm going to add a little bit more Old Bay. A little bit more paprika. All right. And a little bit more cheese. Okay, you can use as much or as little as you want. All right. Anyway, like I was saying, back in the microwave for 3 more minutes. And you want to cover it up with a paper towel or something so that it doesn't get all over the place. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it. It is ready. Shortcut Cajun chicken pasta. Looks really good. Loaded with broccoli, extra cheese, Old Bay seasoning. Let's give it a taste. I just want to point out how cheesy and gooey this is. Look. Yeah, it doesn't take long. It doesn't take long. That was 6 minutes. Mm. All you're really doing is taking a great product and just really making it even better. You know, sometimes we be short on time. You know, don't nobody feel like doing all of that. Especially when you busy, you just gotta work, you know. Y'all, I gotta finish eating. I just wanted to show y'all that really quick shortcut. It took less than 10 minutes. You don't have to add the broccoli or the cheese if you don't want to. You can let it go in the microwave for a little bit longer if you want to. But this is good for me. It's nice and hot. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see y'all on the next one.